Lounge, of course, with the one and only Tall, Dark, and
Short.
of course, Jax guys from BYC.
Yes, of course.
So, good morning mga ka-mindset. We have a very delicious na vlog for today. And of course, I'm very excited guys kasi ito yung grand opening. And of course, this is in partnership with kapatid dating si Jex from BYC. And of course, yung partner niya, ang kapatid niya, gwapo din, parang si Jex. Hello, Jerry, right? So mga ka-mindset, we're actually very blessed guys kasi we are invited sa ating minamahal na kapatid. Dito, kasama natin sa BYC guys. Of course, we will get to know more about LMAW Lounge, of course, with the one and only Tall, Dark, and
Short.
of course, Jax guys from BYC.
Yes, of course.
So, Jax, kumusta ka naman?
Ito, okay ra.
Okay. Alright.
Di na mo tubo.
So, sa dinit namin ng mga business, bakit isipan mo specifically itong LMAW?
Actually, sa dalawa kami, partner kami ng kuya ko.
Okay.
Kuya, ngayon lang videohan kasi mas gwapo ako eh. Siyempre. Naisipan ko to kasi siyempre may anak na tayo, gano'n. For future, you know na. Tapos, gusto ko tong na-inspire ako kasi kumain ako ng sa originally yung Lamaw sa tisa ko na sa Labangon. Tapos nung nakaisip kami ng partner ko na bakit hindi tayo magbenta ganyan. Tapos i-twist lang natin. So yun, nabuo yung Lamaw shawarma twist. So yun.
Alright. So congratulations once again. So ngayon po talaga guys yung grand opening, and aside from that, this is in partnership with his brother, and also they have a
vape shop.
Vape shop.
Vape. Mga vapes din. Dami dito, mga juice.
Correct. So, di ba? 2-in-1. And so, currently, you do, yung food na sinaserve mo is, we do have the
LMAW regular. Meron tong regular, yung hindi shawarma twist. Tapos meron ding shawarma twist. Meron kami sisig. Meron kaming burger steak.
Fries.
Mga lumpia, mga Hungarian. Yan, French fries. Meron kami. Basta punta lang kayo dito para malaman nyo.
mindset.
Business mindset. Pumunta kayo. Kung gusto nyo makita yung mga pagkain, pumunta kayo. Gusto nyo tikman, bumili kayo.
Right. You know? And they also have beverages, of course, and you also serve may mga red beers, mga beer.
Yeah.
So currently you're open from?
Mga tao dito 24/7 mga tao dito. Pero kasi yung trabahante ko, pinagsabihan ko siya na 8 hours lang kasi baka gusto niya mapahinga. Sabi niya depende na lang kung maraming tao or hindi. So, anytime. So, baka mga nasa pinaka-late, nasa mga 3 AM siguro.
3 AM.
Yan.
3 AM.
Kasi mga tao kasi sa Cebu, alam nyo, pag gutom, kakain talaga. Kahit 2 AM pa yan, kahit 12 AM pa yan.
Correct. Exactly. So, currently, they're open. Of course, you can pumunta ka dito, mag-walk-in, pwede din. And, do you accept also delivery?
Yeah, next week magtatap-in ako. Siguro sa Pero next week maximum muna, pero baka next month Foodpanda, Grab. Try muna.
Correct. Yeah. Because actually guys, in a business, dapat talaga there's a trial and error.
Yes.
You will never know and you will never succeed unless you'll try it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure that you are very gutom na guys and gusto niyo ng halimaw kumain dito sa LMAW Lounge, di ba? So guys, please do not forget to like and follow, of course, yung FB page ng LMAW Lounge. I'll be putting in the Facebook link of LMAW Lounge dito sa description box. Yep. And please do invite them, our viewers.
Sa mga viewers po ni Sir, pumunta po kayo kung gusto nyo sa mga taga Cebu. Nasa lang to, Dolho, Fatima, Espolarium Street, Cebu City. Kung galing kayo sa South, then may daanan dito sa may seaside, tsaka sa Mambaling, tapos dito sa Colon, meron ding daanan. So, accessible lang siya. Promise.
Right.
Okay, promise.
So it's actually just near English and Castro and across Coolers.
Yeah.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Titikman na natin guys, we actually have a limaw with a shawarma twist. Ayan. Ito yun guys. So of course, katabi natin yung pinaka-gwapo na kapangit. Ewan ko lang. Please also do not forget to like and follow Kapangit Mitch Angel sa YouTube guys and other social media accounts na. Yun. So yun, this is only 65 pesos. If you want to order and any inquiries, please do not forget to like and follow. Of course, Limaw Lounge FB page. Nasa description link below natin. So titikman natin guys. Yung serving po nila guys, they actually have a 1 piece of boiled egg. Of course, 1 cup of rice and then siomai, 2 pieces of siomai. So Limaw is actually besides Lamaw, it's a food na ganito po guys. So tikman natin. This is actually drizzled with mayonnaise. Sarap guys. Tapos may ano din sa chicharon. Food nila dito is affordable lang po guys. And they're located here sa Espolarium Street, Hayalay, near Iglesia ni Cristo. They also have a sisig platter. This is 180 only. Of course guys, they also have beverages like soda, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, and may Red Horse din, no, if you would like to order. So, ano ba yung hinintay nyo? Punta na kayo dito, guys. Tara lang.
Gentlemen, we have Kapangit from Talisay City.
Pangginis ni guys, pangginis.
Basic.
Basic.
Help me welcome Kapangit. Let's go.
Na-joke with Daddy? Basic.
Ito kagapangit saon.
done with our vlog for today. Super sarap, guys. So, Dylan, ano masasabi mo sa pagkain dito?
Grabe masarap kasi wala kami natira. Lahat talaga naubos.
Alright. And of course, nandito si Baby J.
Walang natira. Pati sizzling plate kinain.
Right. And also, please don't forget, kapangit.
Sarap talaga.
Masarap, no? At syempre, guys.
Balik-balikan dito. Balik-balikan.
Yes. Best recommended. And of course, yung konti lang kinakain.
Eh, oy! Kinain ni kapangit yung yung serving spoon.
Sila yung kinain pero ang tangkad.
Right, so Philmar B, ano masasabi mo sa pagkain dito?
Masarap yung pagkain. I
Wow.
highly recommend it. And yeah, you better visit this small business. Yeah, let's go.
Obviously, so, guys, abangan guys, if you have any shoutouts, please don't forget to mention below. Hashtag JmT Mindset Shoutout! And so, ulitin, thank you very much for watching. Bye! So, Derek, invite natin sila dito sa Lamaw Lounge.
Hello guys, invite namin kayo dito sa LMAO Lounge sa Dulho Polarium Street at matitikman nyo itong lahat ng mga iba't ibang klaseng mga food varieties na dito na LMAO.
Right.
Okay Sir JmT Mindset at guys, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like at mag-follow sa kanya at grabe, napaka-accommodating at madaldal pero friendly. Grabe talaga.
Right.
So, sa mga guys gustong magpa-vlog sa kanya at magpa-promote sa mga business niya, just contact him talaga.
So guys, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-follow, mag-like, mag-subscribe, magbayad ng payment. Huwag niyong kalimutan talaga yung mag-subscribe kay JmT Mindset. Tsaka na sa mga friends natin dito, di ba?
DYC.
Tsaka sa akin rin. Siyempre, tsaka sa business ko. Kaya, sige.
Right.